And welcome to another episode of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hi. Very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yes, today is another day for Fast Friday.
Fast Friday, are we ready? Okay, Hiro, let's go through the ingredients. What are we making today?
Today, actually, we are going to make a Mapo Tofu. So that's my favorite at the Chinese restaurant. Of course, your favorite, number one favorite dish for sure.
Right.
Mapo Tofu. Actually, Mapo Tofu, but I ordered it for Mapo Tofu, same sauce, but instead of the eggplant.
Oh, nice.
But today, we are going to make the original one.
Okay.
Mapo Tofu. So here's the ingredients. Of course, the main ingredient is going to be the tofu, and then the grind beef. This part you can use the whatever grind chicken or grind even pork is good too. And this one I got from the grocery store. This is all the ingredients and the sauces all mixed everything together. So they say Mapo Tofu. So and then instruction is and here you just need to follow this one what to do. So, but this is the easy one. If you could find this one at the market, you can make it very easily to Mapo Tofu.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you how to use this product.
Right.
And the tofu, I'm going to use the half of the tofu. You can use the two different way. Either after you cut, you can straight to mix with into the wok. Another one is also you put in the cornstarch and first you fry it up. Then after you're gonna mix it together. Everything. So
I like it. Yeah, I like the second
so
way.
as you say, so today we are going to make fried tofu. Okay, so
And
first
here-
step.
And here we have cornstarch.
Yeah, this is cornstarch.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to use the cornstarch.
And then
This is what we call tobanjan. You can know where to place the English, right? So tobanjan. This is shisen tobanjan. So this is a spicy paste, chili
Okay.
paste. So if you want to add a little more spicy, you can add this one.
okay.
So how
Are we gonna add it?
How it looks inside, just like that.
Okay. Well, here salt and pepper and some
Yeah, salt and pepper for the grind beef,
corn oil.
and then I'm gonna use a little bit oil.
All right, Hiro.
Yeah, that's it.
We're ready.
Okay, so I just start to heat up the oil,
Okay.
and open up the tofu. So I'm going to use half of that. So I'm gonna cut into the cubic. 1, 2, like that. Size not too big. And this is perfect. Like that. Okay. Then put into the cornstarch. Okay, next step, let's start to fry up the tofu. Cornstarch, put the cornstarch on all around into the tofu, on the tofu. This is a soft tofu. So
Soft tofu.
It's very, of course, soft.
Yeah.
You have to be careful.
There's soft, there's medium, and there's medium firm, and there's
Yeah.
firm.
If you fry that, of course, you can buy the firm one.
Yeah, but soft, I think tastes the
More
best.
like easy to handle.
Yeah.
So just make sure the tofu is not sticking, put together, separated. Okay, just taking up the tofu. Yeah. I'm gonna use the half of, I put a little bit oil and half of the meat, half of the pack, I mean. Like that. And quick salt and pepper. all the way cook. And some tofu. And next one is this sauce. Open up and just put everything. Like that.
Oh, that's so good, Hiro.
That's it.
Oh man. That looks
This is
delicious.
anyway Shushen style Mapo Tofu. Yeah,
Sichuan, so a little spicy.
like that.
Okay.
Bring it to the
Yeah, we were talking about, do you need to make this for rice? Let me tell you, if you have rice, if you have noodles, ramen, whatever you want, put this on top.
yeah, basically yeah, that's it. Then of course if you put the chopped scallion on the top, will be great.
Oh,
Also.
beautiful
So
dish.
very easy to make this one.
So simple.
So this sauce with the ground beef and the tofu, that's
Yeah.
all you need. And maybe scallion.
Or if you don't want beef, leave out the beef. If you're vegetarian, I don't know if there's any meat products in there. I'll confirm that later on. But yeah, usually pork or even ground turkey if you want to be more healthier. Hiro looks beautiful. Can't wait to try it.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining us on Fast Friday. We'll see you soon.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yes,
We are ready to try.
best of parts for testing.
Yes. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, enjoy.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna take this
Smells really, really good.
and the tofu and meat together.
So simple. Now I know you went to the extra step to fry the tofu, but if you're at home and you don't want to go the extra step, just cut it up and just, like Hiro did, drain it, cut it up, and just mix it in the sauce.
This Mapo Tofu is good, but it's very different than which you are eating at the restaurant.
Okay.
Different type of that.
Let me try.
More like a bean paste flavor.
Okay. And we checked the ingredients. There's no animal byproduct in here. Everything's, it's all vegan. Let me get a spoon here.
Oh, yeah, it's very, very, very different.
Okay.
Yeah, different than your favorite one. Little far from that. Well,
All right. Let's take a look at this.
it's a little bit different than other style, you know? But this is how this is style.
It's very good. I like the ground beef. I like the fact the texture of the tofu.
You can
A
taste
little
more
crunchy.
like a bean paste flavor, right?
Yeah, like a bean paste.
Kind of like a miso.
Yeah. But I love the texture of the tofu. A little crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Highly suggest doing the extra step and coating with cornstarch and then deep frying it. It absorbs the sauce too, so much easier. But let me tell you, perfect, delicious, and so simple.
Yeah, please try this one.
So good. I love it. Well, Hiro, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
See you guys soon. Bye bye.